We're here at the DroneX show in London. This is our first time here. The show's started earlier today and it's been extremely busy. I thought I'd take a couple seconds here and show you what we have on display. So we start here on the right hand side with some of our patented LCP jacketed non-kink optical cables. These come in various shapes and sizes and colors, as you see here, with strengths up to about 70 pounds. We've got some of our buoyant single channel fiber optic cables as well here. These things can be made to float or to be neutral in seawater, and generally have one fiber with some Kevlar reinforcement as well. We've got some of our popular models here, like our 7098 and 7094, strength up to about 1,200 pounds here. Then we get into more of the cables that are of interest to these drones here at the DroneX show. We've got our micro tethers, which generally have very lightweight conductors and a fiber, making it immune from electrical interference. So you can fly a drone permanently in the air, like one that's depicted here on our booth. You can fly it in the air continuously as it's powered from the ground and maintain optical communication. And we have various jacket materials that we put on top. Sometimes it's a braided like this, sometimes it's a shield like this, sometimes it's Kevlar reinforced like this. This green one right here is quite interesting because this has just some very, very thin Dyneema braid on top of some high voltage 10,000 volt conductors with two fibers. This one here is just a single twisted pair, no optical conductor here. And again, we get into some more heavy duty braided cables here, like this cable here, which has a gel-filled loose tube fiber and a couple conductors inside. We also have extruded jackets for some of our micro tethers, like this one right here with this nice matte gray polyurethane jacket. Then we get into some of our packaging of the optical fibers. These are our FPV drone packs. This one right here is a 1 kilometer pack. This one is a 2 kilometer pack. This would be an example of an internally deployable pack that we wind for mostly underwater applications, but also we do that for some drone applications as well. We've got some of our loose tube gel-filled product right here, and some of our rad hard high temperature cables as well. And then we get into some of our bigger hybrid designs, showing basically the varied strength and sizes that we can produce, up to 20,000 pounds brake strength. And we also have our new ribbon optical cables here, 12 channel, multi-mode, single mode, high temperature and standard temperature cables. So yeah, come on down to DroneX here in London at the Excel Center and visit us. Linden Photonics. Looking forward to meeting you.